Good morning, delegates. So, I am M. Sandil Kumar. I am doing my PhD in Hindustan University, Chennai. My guides are Dr. Angeline Prabhavati and Dr. Mr. Mariyappan. He is an environmental expert, and Mr. Dr. R.K. Lingovan is a Director Safety, RLI Chennai. So everybody knows about risk assessment and AAA process. Directly I can get into the subject. So my content of the presentation is introduction and methodology, or topoplanar sampling industries, location details with LPG bullet capacities, storage pressure and temperature. So I am using a software DNV PASC for calculating thermal radiation. The results are summarized. So graph showing the Blevy results of various capacities of LPG storages, and my findings and recommendations, and finally the concluding part. So introduction. So risk assessment is an integral part of EIA study and also a component of environmental impact assessment. Risk assessment is one of the decision-making tool to set up of an hazardous industry. The usage of LPG propane is continuously increasing in the automobile industries for their heat treatment process. Exclusively in Chennai, daily basis, the new automobile-based companies and ancillaries are coming up. The LPG usages frequently keep on rising in Chennai. The safety requirements in engineering industries utilizing LPG as a fuel are inadequate. The study covers the safety in these LPG installations of engineering industries. 10 sample industries containing LPG storages of various capacities are taken for the study. So quantitative risk assessment was conducted for Blevy. It is considered as a maximum credible scenario for the LPG bullets. Because of its great damage effects, I am restricted for the study Blevy only. DNV PASC software is an approved software by EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, has been used for the hazardous zone calculations. 3 levels, that is 37.5 kg per centimeter square. The effect is damage to the property, 100% fatality. The next thermal radiation level is 12.5 kg per centimeter square. Melting plastic tubes may be second level burns. The third one is 4 kg per centimeter square, blistering of skin. Methodology, how I perform a study. The first mapping of the industrial locations, the top. The next one is briefing about my study to the particular occupier of the company or equal capacity in the facility. Then defining the quantum of my work there, about collecting some data, technical data, everything. And parametric assessment, what are the parameters required? I have to collect it from the facility. Then calculation and compiling of the results, descriptions of scenarios, and analysis of result, the introduction of data into, incorporation of the data into environmental impact assessment study, and my conclusion and exit. This is a methodology I perform my study. The marked areas is selected in the Chennai, maybe within 70 kilometers radius. Particularly, I have selected automobile industries who are using LPG in terms of bullets, varying from 4.5 kg metric ton to 100 metric ton. See, in the location, the 10 factories is selected. All are horizontal under pressurized condition horizontal bullets. The capacity is mentioned in third column. The fourth is pressure. I have selected 3 types of pressure because of the availability in the facility. 6 bar, 8 bar, and the maximum level is 14.5. In the ambient conditions, ambient temperature conditions, the study is considered. So input parameters collected for modeling from the management side as well as during my physical visit. That is bullet capacity, type of storages, so pressure and temperature, operating pressure and temperature, the discharge quantity, the thermal radiation levels, meteorological data that will be collected from IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, that is for the meteorological, about windrows diagrams, wind directions and speed. So Pascal stability class considered in 2 items, that is 1.5 stable and 5D meter per second wind flow. The Blevy is considered for the worst credible accident scenario for the study purpose. So Blevy is the event of catastrophic failure of a pressurized storage bullet which is exposed to fire, refers as a Blevy. The DNV passed thermal radiation after the calculation. The results are summarized. The bullet's capacity is mentioned one side and the pressure is in another column, which is the ambient temperature, entire calculation is performed. Then wind speed, about 37.5, 12.5, everything is calculated. And in the 5D, it's a neutral conditions. I can plot a graph all the results, which is absolutely linear. When the x-axis mentioned about the damage distances in meter, y-axis in metric ton, that is bullet capacity. So we can see for 37.5, it's keep on increasing based on the bullet capacity. It is parallelly, it's going on. So the first one is performed in the presence of 6 bar. The second graph is performed in the presence of 8 bar. The third one is, there is maximum pressure, that is 14.5 bar. So it shows the increasing capacities of the bullet. Thermal radiation distances are also parallelly increasing under the pressurized conditions. So the modeling result distances are compared with actual distances in the facility. So actual distance in the cells, the distance between the source, that is bullet, to the boundary actually. I have taken, that is 5D calculations, that is in the neutral levels calculated, that is the maximum thermal radiation distances. So the red mark source particularly, which is compared to the actual distances in the facility, you can see which is exceeding the boundary distances. That means it leads to an not only on-site, off-site. That is a maximum findings. The red mark shows that the hazardous zones falls beyond the boundary of the facility.